In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear caliper on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 14mm socket, remove the union bolt. Be sure to have a drain bucket under you while you do this. Fluid should come out. Using a 14mm socket, remove the caliper bracket bolts. Remove the caliper assembly. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to take apart our caliper. I was using a 14mm wrench to hold the head of this bolt. Pull the caliper off of the bracket. We're going to grab the pads out of here. And we'll load those into our new caliper. Using a 14mm wrench and socket, we're going to take apart the caliper from the bracket. Same thing on the other side. We're going to take a bit of lube and spread it on our mating points. You just want a really light coat. And then install the shims. Pull the slides out. We're going to clean them off. Re-lube them. Do the same thing on the other one. Install the caliper bracket onto the vehicle and get the bolts started. Snug the bolts down. Torque the bracket bolts to 46 foot-pounds. Then install the pads into the vehicle. We're going to put a little bit of grease around the piston. Install the caliper. Get the bolt started. Snug the bolts down. Torque the caliper bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Remove the union bolt out of the caliper. Be sure that you have both crush washers. We're going to remove one crush washer and leave one on the union bolt. Install the union bolt through the brake line. Install the other crush washer on the back side. There's a little indent hole right here. That's where this little locating finger is going to be. And we're going to install the line into the caliper. Snug down the union bolt. Torque the union bolt to 24 foot-pounds. Remove the bleeder cap from the caliper. Using an 8mm wrench, we're going to open the bleeder screw. We're going to wait until there is a solid stream of brake fluid coming out with no bubbles. Once we have this happening, we're going to take our wrench, we're going to tighten the bleeder screw up, wipe away any extra fluid using a clean rag, and then reinstall our bleeder cap. During or after your brake bleeding procedure, you may need to top off your master cylinder. Install the wheel, get the lug nuts started, snug them down. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 76 foot-pounds. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.